This brand is available worldwide and is distributed in North America by Lumina Products Incorporated. They can be purchased directly through their website and are backed by a good guarantee. The units feature automatic controls with a remote control and Wi-Fi, so they can be controlled from a smartphone. They have built-in carbon monoxide and accelerometer safety sensors for worry-free operation. The Loft line offers units that can be set on the top of furniture, embedded in the furniture, or hung on the wall. In all, there are 24 different options to customize the units to your home decor. The Arch line offers freestanding fireplaces that provide for a 360-degree view of the fire and are available in 3 types of finishes to match the home's decor. The Lu model is embedded in a coffee table that is available in 4 different finishes, while the Sasa collection offers 3 sizes of wall-mounted fireplaces that are available in 3 finishes. This brand receives an overall 5-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.